Oh, hello, it's Tyler Bryden here, CEO and co-founder of Speak AI. Just doing a little bit of a walkthrough on an updated version of Speak. This is June 2022, and I'm going to make this as quick as possible. I'm already getting in my own way. So I'm in the dashboard right now. This is sort of the central place. You can see a bunch of quick actions in here. You can see how you can do more with Speak, the integrations, and then a little bit of insights into your usage. These are the recent activities that are going on, and then these are the ongoing activities. So at a core level, what we're trying to do is enable the capture of language information, multimedia, audio, video, and text. All I have to do if I'm doing Word document, this is a Word document, actual video, I can decide where I want to put that call, and I can very simply upload. It's going to detect the length and then move forward, upload that file. So fantastic, simple upload functions. We've integrated it to Zapier, we're integrating it to Zoom, a lot of different ways that we're integrating into different systems to make this even easier than possible. And I'll jump into what looks like a normal sort of individual video. In this regards, a single video file that's about 7 minutes long. And what you're seeing here are the automatic structuring of this information. So I know, for example, where are the keywords in this file. I can see customer is one, and then I'm going to jump through to that specific moment.
And also validating that you're going to have customers.
Beautiful. So from a navigation element, very simple to find something that's valuable to you and jump to that moment. Everything is completely searchable. That goes with the transcript, so I can go in for that same search and read the entire sentence related to customers, click on it.
Essentially, I look at the customers
and jump to that specific moment. There's also this idea of sentiment, which allows you to very quickly sort and find the most positive and negative moments within the media files that you're doing, find themes, find important moments that are part of it to help you sift through that information as quickly as possible. You can export into multiple different types, Word docs, PDFs, lots of different options to export, and then customize too. So I can say I want to display the speaker names, the timestamps, the visualizations, or I can go for a very clean export, just the transcript and export that. We've enabled this ability to share. So I can not just keep this internally for my own personal use. I can push this out as a recorder. Okay, yes, I see. I've hidden this one. I can push this out as a shareable asset and then be able to let anyone interact with it. So a lot of people are then using this to share things publicly and then engage. And then at the last part, a couple options to edit these pieces here. So I can go edit the name, description, folder, what folder it is, tags, and then the creation date. And the creation date then has ramifications if I want to analyze the insights, as well as if I want, I can order the professional transcription. So with that professional transcription, I can add speaker names, glossary, specific terms, put instructions in that are important, and then I can automatically merge and then even rush that. It will automatically calculate the time and then confirm it, charge, and then you will see that our professional transcription team make the changes and then re-merge back into the system, which is fantastic.